fine-tuning your mental clarity on a daily basis. If you want to know the truth, please listen to this. My name is Fatima from classicalhealing.com. So where to start? How about with the mind, seeing as the mind leads and the body follows? If you can keep your brain sharp and your mind nimble, then you will be able to enjoy life in at least some capacity and maintain your dignity. What's more though, is that a healthy mind will help to automatically give you a stronger and healthier body. Your mind controls your movements after all, and this is the key to maintaining good biomechanics and muscle control. So let's take a look at the issues that you might struggle with in this department as you age and how you can keep those problems at bay. Cognitive decline with old age. The thing we most often associate with age-related cognitive decline is forgetfulness. When you reach a certain age, you start to forget where you left your keys a little more regularly, and eventually you start to forget the names of your family. Just call everyone Fran, it's easier. Some degree of memory loss is fairly normal with age and is referred to as age-related cognitive decline. However, in some cases it might take the more serious form of dementia or Alzheimer's disease. The latter is caused by amyloid plaques and neurofibrillary tangles, which are caused by a buildup of protein fragments attaching to the cells. This can lead to confusion and severe memory loss, which we know as dementia or Alzheimer's. In some cases, confusion and memory loss are exacerbated by damage to the brain caused by a stroke or traumatic brain injury. But long before that, comes the slight tiredness and the brain fog. It's almost imperceptible, but it's definitely there. Like a computer that takes just an extra minute or two to boot up. No one else would notice, but you know it's not running on all cylinders anymore. Not like it used to. Think back, how much harder is it to wake up in the morning than it was 5 years ago? Back then you would likely be out all night drinking with friends and then wake up the next day with energy to spare. It's not your body that's changed at this point, it's your brain. Or how about you think back even further, memory allowing, to when you were just a little kid. Back then you could run around in circles for hours without ever tiring out. Likely you know kids who can still do the same thing. These days though, many of us struggle just climbing the stairs. Constantly feeling tired is no fun, and neither is having half the enthusiasm you used to have when you were younger, or the ability or the passion for learning. Notice how young people are always learning new skills, making new friends and changing careers, and that gets harder as you age. Oh, and what about mood? Have you noticed how you are just much angrier all the time these days? What once wouldn't have caused us pause for thought now has us growling under our breaths like mad people. What happened to that youthful optimism? If you understand the law of attraction, then you'll know how being angry all the time will only lead to fewer opportunities and less enjoyment. Apparently, it's at the age of 60 when these changes really occur. So what's actually happening inside that cranium of yours to cause all this change?